What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, we are in the car. We're driving up north in Minnesota to do something we're very ready for, very excited for. We're going ice fishing. So if you're excited for that, go down, subscribe, and to all of our new subscribers, thanks for being here, thanks for watching. But we got a couple hours. I think the plan is there's probably gonna be 2 videos from this trip. We're gonna go out tomorrow morning. We're driving up to a hotel. Obviously we're driving a couple hours, so, and we're gonna go out and try to get some walleyes, try to catch a limit, maybe cook some up on the ice, and then what are you thinking? Hit for panfish in the evening?
Panfish and pike.
And then Sunday we're gonna so day 2 we're gonna try to get some more panfish and pike on whatever worked for us, and then head home. So yeah, if you're excited, give us a like. But for right now, we're just gonna chill out, drive up there. So catch you at the hotel.
It'll be fun.
Oh yeah, baby. Morning, everyone. I hope you paused the video and went to bed, because that's obviously what you do when you watch YouTube videos. But this morning, just pounding a little breakfast, made a little breakfast casserole. Got my OJ, but it's nice and early, like 6:40. We're trying to get out. It's gonna be light at what, 7:50, so almost 8 o'clock. So we figured there's no point in getting up early, but we're gonna hit the road here in a minute and try to catch some walleyes first thing in the morning. So let's go get them. But first, it's time to go to Pound Town. Well, folks, I'm gonna set some tip-ups. Set these new finicky coolers out. Would have probably, like, yeah, they're not.
Oh. That's food. Never mind. Do you think, or that too? Okay. Actually my first walleye through the ice. And this one is coming home for lunch.
Well, y'all, bite definitely died. I think the walleyes moved out, so we're actually gonna head out. As weird as it sounds, we're gonna head out, try for some panfish and pike, bass, that kind of thing. So let's pack this stuff up and get out of here. He's gonna crush it. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's not huge. It's pretty small, actually. Oh my freaking gosh!
That's a dinner perch.
Look at that, boys! Look at that. He'll freaking eat.
I should maybe get my GoPro on.
There it is. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how well you can see, but that is a freaking stud. Stud perch. Boom! There we go. That's probably about a 10 or so, 10.5 inch perch right there. Delicious. You know that thing will taste good, just freaking choking on a minnow too. Caught that on the old dinner bell, so I'm gonna throw this guy in the back of the tent. Back here. And we're gonna try to catch a couple more before we cook some up. Ooh, I'm already marking one, so let's get back down there. Ladies and gentlemen, I very much apologize for the mess that this video has been. But we've been running around all day and it has just been tough to figure anything out. But what we do have, some walleye, some perch, some more walleye and some more perch, and we have a nice little fillet board right here, which I'm gonna process these fish real quick for ya. Get them cooking up and do a little catch and cook. So, oh,
What?
marking. Is that? Oh, did you put it down?
What?
Did you put my bait down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Never
Oh,
mind.
that's your bait.
I'm not marking. So, let's get these done. I'm probably just gonna do a quick time lapse of me chopping these up. So. There is our fish. That didn't take too long. Just rinsing it off in a little bit of water for now, before I dry it off and fire up our old Coleman, and then I'll show you my batter process, which is pretty standard, I know, but it's kind of fun and I like it. But just kind of rinsing it, trying to get those excess scales and, you know, all the other crap that comes with fish. Plus it gets a little bit of that blood out. Now we're just going to add in a little bit of oil. Roll it real nice. Just gonna take these fillets and just pat them dry, get any scales or any crap that's on them off. Man, they look gorgeous. Woo, woo. These are gonna taste excellent. What's up? You got a fish on you? Oh, we got one. Got a fish while we're doing a catch and cook. Walleye. Walleye? Yep. Well, oh, crap. Well, I think we got
enough fish, so.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do another one.
This guy got lucky.
A few minutes earlier. It's really because we just don't want to break out the... Alright, so I'm gonna blow your guys' minds right now. We will be marinating this in freaking Frank's Red Hot. This is a brand new recipe, never ever been done on YouTube before. I mean,
I'll put that shit on everything.
I'm pretty sure. What does everyone else use? Egg whites? I don't know. Egg wash? No one ever uses Frank's. The thing a lot of people do when they do is they don't put. They use Shore Lunch or any other kind of breadcrumby, crappy things like that. Don't use Shore Lunch. If you use Shore Lunch, you don't know how to make fish batter. Shore Lunch, if you want to sponsor us, I will take everything I said back. But just pour yourself some Franks. All right, we go hardcore. Doesn't really matter because you're not using it. Probably went a little bit too much there. But you just take that. Oh, and you give her a little dangle there. I see way too many people doing one of two things. A, not using enough oil, and then B, they just take wet fish and they throw it in frickin' panko breadcrumbs. So you're going to want to take that and set it aside for a little while. And then you're going to want to take your homemade flour mix. I'm not going to tell you guys what's in this, because take your flour. Oil's definitely looking like it's getting there. Dip your finger in it if you're not sure.
Don't.
Yeah, if you couldn't tell I was joking, you probably shouldn't be watching our videos. You're probably too young to be watching our videos. So now that that's been marinating for a second, I would generally let it sit a little bit longer, but that's not happening tonight. So now you're going to take your scientific fish batter. You take your strips of fish, kind of drip them off a little bit so they're not completely coated in franks. Drop them into, and just beat around like that. Alright. Once you get that done, oh, can't tell me that doesn't look good. Take your little fish strips, drop them in. There ain't nothing complicated about this stuff. Make sure your fish pieces are a little bit similar size too. We got some bigger fillets in here that I'll do last. That right there is what we're looking for. Golden crispies. And man, does it already smell very good in here. Perfect fish. And you see how it's not falling off? Like you could rub this between your hands and the breading isn't going to fall off. It's not like that fish where it's all freaking cracked over. And you don't get much fresher than this. Most of this fish was swimming just like an hour ago. This other one's been swimming for a couple hours. Frickin' perfect. Just gonna leave that oil to kind of cool down, and we'll plate up this fish.
Yeah.
All right, let's get a little taste test in with my tartar sauce. Just like that. One bite. Everybody knows the rules. Tartar sauce on that. I do say so myself. That is really good. All right, we're gonna have Cam. Let's plate him up a little piece. Give you a little. Oh. Cam's not a big fish guy. That's actually pretty.
It's really good. Yeah.
All right. Well, we're gonna just kind of chill out for a minute, look at our bobbers, and
Eat some fish.
hell yeah. So, yeah, I think, guys, I really do apologize for how bad this video has been. But I mean, we're just running around all day, basically. We couldn't find fish. Well, it wasn't really the fish. We couldn't find areas. It was just, this is a new area to us. So, yeah, sorry, not sorry. Tomorrow, I guess tomorrow for us, probably not for you. Hopefully see a second video from this, will be better. I think we have a better plan. So.
Yep.
We will we'll catch you on the flippity flop, I guess. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. Instagram will be down, link in description. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you for us tomorrow. So, peace out.